Have you noticed a concerning trend? More children are losing their zest for life. You wish to see your child filled with confidence and embracing each day with joy and enthusiasm. So how do we motivate children? And how do we get them excited and curious about learning? And how do we help them discover their true potential so that they can thrive in every aspect of their life? Well, the good news is that we heard you, and that is why I have teamed up with two experts, and together we have over 60 years of experience in empowering both children and adults. Now, our approach is grounded in evidence-based strategies, ensuring the most effective methods for your child's growth. We nurture your child's resilience, creativity, and belief. So register now to ignite your child's potential at the Body, Mind, and Heart Adventure Workshop, where we engage in mindfulness, laughter, yoga, positive psychology, positive intelligence, and more. See you there.